everyone! Welcome for today's news about the exciting activities here at Batasan Hills National High School.
Students are busy preparing for the exciting contests and activities this November. We have reporters on the ground to bring you the latest updates.
That's right, Cindy! And don't forget, there will be an academic break from November 25 to 29, 2024.
The Pluma Club's member search is still ongoing, and we also shared news about the Humes Club and their recent contest winners, plus details about the upcoming Foundation Day in December.
I am Marian Villarao.
I am Cindy Ramirez from Cicero Chronicles.
We begin with the latest news about the English Month contest and activities, including the Parade of Characters, Literary Door, Declamation Contest, Pop-Up Picture, Music Video Making, Television Newscasting, and lastly, Photo Essay. Our correspondent, Joanna Escobarte, is now on the line. With details, Joanna, over to you.
Yes, Miss Villarojo. I can say that some students who participated in the English Month contest are pretty busy right now. Some students found this November very challenging as not only has English Month started, but also the activities in other subjects such as practical research, or as known as PR2. As you can see, everyone is looking forward to the contest. Also, our student here with me. May I know your name is?
My name is Monica.
Miss Monica, can you tell us about how you're feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit excited about our literary door. So, I'm looking forward to finishing it.
Thank you, Miss Monica.
Okay lang kasi medyo pinag-aandaan lang namin. Yung concept namin dito is si Diwata Lalakon. So, medyo, para sa amin, medyo onting madali siya kasi red lang yung medyo inaano niyang color. So, ayun. Mahirap lang maghanap ng mga recyclable materials pero nagawa naman ang paraan.
Thank you, Miss Rumela. You guys, are you proud or confidently to say that are you going to win about this literary door contest?
For me, why not? Bakit hindi? Alam ko naman na lahat kami ng mga kamag-aral ko, ng mga kaklase ko, nagbigay talaga ng best nila. And for me, dun pa lang sa pagbibigay nila ng best nila is panalo na sila sa akin. So,
Thanks, Joanna! Meanwhile, there is going to be an academic break or sem break this upcoming last week of November. And here are some of the thoughts of the students that our field reporter Ricalina Ramos has managed to obtain to conducting interviews.
Good day to you, Marian and Cindy. As you can see, I'm here with Ate Angelica, and Jane. So I have a question for you. There's a saying that there will be upcoming celebrate this last week of November. If really going to happen, do you think what happened? Do you think will be beneficial as a student?
It will be very beneficial since knowing that there are upcoming workloads na nangyayari sa school. So that's something will benefit all students to have a rest para makapag-process din yung mga utak natin at the same time our physical.
Additionally, since based sa dated calendar, our examination will be during December, so the weekend or the rest week para sa last week of November will really be a big help to the students, especially sa grade 12 as graduating or workload. Especially, mention ko na, ang PR, grabe talaga ang workloads ngayon. I think it will lessen the burden in our minds and will help us rest so that we can fully function when it comes to the exam. So that's all. Back to you, Cindy and Marian.
That's great to hear. Now, let's move on to the Pluma Club. They're still on the lookout for their new members. Yes, now join us with an update on that. Jaden, go ahead.
Hi, Cindy and Marian. Good day. So if you are looking for a club to join, we announce to you that one of the active clubs in Batasan Hills National High School, such as Pluma Club, is still searching for more members. On their Facebook page, AHNHS Pluma Club membership application form that have been already posted are still open for everyone that's interested in joining. So we have here right now one of the officers of the club, and you can tell us what is this club for and what is this club for.
Good day everyone, my name is Aurelia Cabubas, the President of Pluma Club. May ibig sabihin ay pagbasa layon upang mabuhay. Ang layunin ng aming club 7 na non-reader at para pagtungtong nila sa senior high school at sa kolehiyo ay marunong na sila magbasa. At ang isa pang layunin ng ating club, kung makakasali kayo sa amin, ay ang pagpapalaganap na ang literatura ng Pilipinas ay mas malalim pa sa inyong inaasahan. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Based on the answer by Miss Ariel, you can really see that good intention and they help students to struggle at 18 and that has genuinely purpose to each of one student. And that's all I needed for you. Back to you, Marian.
Thank you, Miss Hazel, and kudos to our Luma officers who gave us information about the said club.
Absolutely. And now we are excited to announce the upcoming Foundation Day in December 2024. There will be games, performances, and many activities for students to enjoy. It's a fantastic way to show our school spirit. We encourage everyone to participate and look out for more details coming soon. That's a wrap for today's news. I am Marian Villarojo.
And I am Cindy Ramirez. Remember to participate in the upcoming events. Make the most of your time at school. Keep in touch with us for more news from Batasan Hills National High School.